you or not? Yeah, thank you for your responses, Nitin, Tejashwani, Kirti Reddy. Yeah. I'm so happy to look at your responses as well. So, once again, hi to everyone. How are you people? Yeah, hi, how are you? Yeah, doing good. Fine. Good to see your responses. Yes. So, I think it's already delayed to us, and few people were joining the session. And please inform your friends to join the session. If they will join the session only, they will get certificate. Okay. If they were not joining the session, they won't get any certificate. Please intimate to them. Okay. So I don't want to waste my time and as well your time as well. So let's begin the session. So yesterday I already discussed with you regarding the variable, regarding the variable, like what is variable, okay, how many types in variables, how variables works out. Okay, I already discussed with you a lot regarding variable concept. Okay, so today I'm gonna discuss with you data types. Today I'm going to discuss with you data types. So somebody let me know what is data type. What is data types? I want responses from you. And today I'm going to make Priyanka to do a practical work. Okay. So is it Priyanka join the session? Priyanka, are you there in the session, ma? Let me know, Priyanka, if you're there in the session. Just text me a message so that I can know you joined the session or not. I think, yeah. I said, is there Priya? If not Priya, and somebody says that, sir, today we're going to handle the practical work. Okay. If they are ready to handle the practical work, I am so happy. Okay, I'm gonna guide you like so. Yeah. Thank you. Hmm. Yeah, Nitin. Thank you. Yes. What's your good name? 0212. What's your good name? Yeah, Anjali. Thank you. The kind of data that variable can hold. Oh, nice. Nice answer. Hmm. Yes, number types of information. Yes. Okay. So these all are the content that we can see in the data types. Okay. So when it comes to text format, okay, text format which we can see in the strings. Okay. Before I get into the topics, I want to know the confirmation from these people. So because based on them, I used to start. So just a minute. People. Where is this person? Prachit Misra, are you there in the session? Prachit Misra. Yeah, Prithvi. Thank you, Prithvi, for your beautiful answer. Thank you, Prithvi. So, Prachit Misra, are you there in the session? Please let me know in the chat box. Prachit Misra and the person, uh, Rishita. Rishita, are you there in the session? Yeah. Okay, Vaishnavi Reddy. If Shumant will give the practical, I'm happy. If Suman, okay, we'll give chance to Moni as well. Okay, not a problem. And the person Veera Babu. Who is the Veera Babu? Yeah, guys. Yeah, yesterday I saw your feedback. So anyway, I'm so happy for that. Okay, and please, if you have any queries or anything, please let me know now itself. I'm going to change the way of giving the concept. Like, can you please let me know, like, where did you, which concept you are not getting? Yesterday, I given examples and everything on variables, right? So where you structured and what concept you are not getting, if you can tell me now, so that I'll clear out those things and I'll step into the data types concepts. Okay. So please let me know where you not, where didn't you understand, like which concept did you want? ఏ కాన్సెప్ట్ అర్థం కాలేదు వీరబాబు? కెన్ ఐ నో దట్? If you can say, so that I can change my way of teaching and I can completely comes to your format. Okay. Sure, thank you. Okay, thank you. Yeah, Veerababu and Rishit Reddy, somebody. So I'm asking you people because you just stuck to somewhere, right? So that's why Misra and Veerababu, Misra, Veerababu, and the person from the Geetam College, Misra. Yeah, Misra, uh, Rishita, and Veerababu. Rishit sir, explain about the insights of the upcoming project. Yeah, this is, I'm going to explain further, okay? First, let me complete the topics as well, and after that, I'm going to explain you like how we can take or how we can add that and how we can use in the topics, the particular concept, how we can use in the topics. I'm going to tell you, okay? Don't think about yourself like if you know, that's okay. Think about everybody. There are some people doesn't even know the concept of variable. I have to teach everybody, right? Not exactly for you. If you know this concept, okay. There are so many people doesn't even know the Python. So I have to compare or I have to consider everyone and I have to say the topic. Do you getting my point, right? The people who knows about Python concepts, I know somebody knows about Python concepts. I'm okay and I'm happy for that. If you really knows that, you can answer to me while I'm asking the questions, so that I'm happy. Okay. And some people doesn't even know about anything. So I have to consider everyone and I have to deliver the content to everyone, right? Based on everybody concern, I have to deliver the content. So that is what my agenda here. Okay. Don't think that much. Very soon we're going to come to the way of your topic and I'm going to explain each and every concept. Okay. So meanwhile you just hold yourself and listen. Okay. And if you can listen now also, it may come comes under to the revision for you. Okay. సో థింక్ అబౌట్ ఇట్. ఓకే గైస్. సో ఎవరైతే వచ్చని ఫీల్ అవుతున్నారో, ఓకే మాకు ఈ కాన్సెప్ట్ వచ్చు, లేకపోతే పైథాన్లో వేరియబుల్ వచ్చు, డేటా టైప్స్ వచ్చు, మళ్ళీ ఏంటి కాన్సెప్ట్ అని ఫీల్ అవుతున్నారో, మీరు కావాలంటే మళ్ళీ రివిజన్ కింద వినండి. ఓకే. ఎందుకంటే మీకు వచ్చు కాబట్టి మీరు కొంచెం ఏంటి అలాగే చెప్తున్నారు అంటే లైక్ విన్నదే కదా తెలుసు మాకు ఇది అన్నట్టే కాకుండా, కొంతమంది తెలియని వాళ్ళు ఉంటారు కదా. సో తెలియని వాళ్ళు ఉన్నప్పుడు ఏంటి, నేను అందరినీ కన్సిడర్ చేసుకొని చెప్పాలి కాన్సెప్ట్. సో తెలియని వాళ్ళకి చెప్తే వాళ్ళు ఓకే తెలుసుకుంటారు, దే ఫీల్ హ్యాపీ ఫర్ దట్, రైట్? సో అలా కాన్సెప్ట్ ఒక్కొక్కటి చెప్పుకుంటూ వెళ్ళటం జరుగుతుంది. ఇఫ్ యూ నోస్ ద కాన్సెప్ట్, టేక్ ఏ రివిజన్ ఆన్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్ అండ్ గుడ్. Okay, who doesn't even know anything, you please note it down the things like what I'm saying, then it useful for your practical part. That's what we can see it in the picture. Getting right, whoever feeling like that. So on Veerababu, may I know like where you are confusing? Veerababu in the sense like is a Andhra or Telangana person, I know. So Veerababu, you're from which college? I want to know. PVP Siddhartha. Just PVP Siddhartha, I know the college from Vijayawada. Just Veerababu from Vijayawada. ఏంటి నీ ప్రాబ్లం ఏంటి వీరబాబు? లైక్ ఏం అర్థం కావట్లేదు. ఇఫ్ యూ కెన్ టు బి ఫ్రాంక్, ఓకే, నువ్వు ఏది మాట్లాడినా ఐఎమ్ టేక్ ఇట్ పాజిటివ్. ఓకే. క్లాస్ జాయిన్ అవ్వు, లింక్ పెట్టారు, జాయిన్ అవ్వు క్లాస్. Yep. Yeah, sorry for the disturbance. Okay, sorry. Okay, anyway, I have no doubt, sir. Yeah, Vera Babu, fine. Thank you for your responses. So, okay, let's get into the point. So somebody mentioned me like, what is data types? Data types, variables can store different data type, different data. Okay, variables can store different data in different types. Okay, different types can do different things. Okay, let me share my screen and let me go to the uh, paint. Let me write here so that everybody can clear out of this. Okay. Yes. So somebody give me a definition like what is variables, what we can do in a variables. Variable is a container we can store our data. Is it right what I'm saying, guys? Yeah, it's a container which we can store data. Okay. Yeah, variable is a container which is used to store data. Okay, at the same time, variables. Okay, variables can store the data different types. Okay, what are those different types? If you can see, the different types is nothing but like string, numbers, okay, dictionary, mapping, sequence, boolean. These all are the different types, right? Okay, these all are the different types. These all different types can do different things. What are the different things that we can do when it comes to strings part? Okay, there we can write a characters, for example, like letters or something like that. When it comes to int, there we can write integer values. Okay, and when it comes to float, float values we can write. Okay, when it comes to complex values we can write. When it comes to list, where when it comes to tuples, when it comes to okay range, when it comes to dictionaries, okay, when it comes to true or root maps, everything we can do. So that's why we are saying in the definition like different things can do different things. Okay, a variable can store a different data, a variables can store a different data, a different data can do different things. The different things is nothing but like an output. Sorry guys, hello, క్లాస్ చెప్తున్నప్పుడు చేస్తున్నాం అమ్మా ప్లీజ్. Okay, different types can do different things. So somebody let me know the data types. Yeah. I'll note it down the word document, maybe it's gonna helpful to you. Yeah, it will be fine now, I think so. Yeah, what is the string type? Just somebody give me string type. Yeah, today is the concept data types. Eh? Eh, guys, whoever wants to take a note, you guys can take a note here. A variable can store different data. different variable can do different, it performs different things. Yes. Let me. So please note it down the definition which I'm inserting here, or else in your if you really understood, you can write in your words. Okay. Okay. A variable can store different data. A different data can do different things. Okay. Yeah. A different data can do different things, or it can performs in different format. So what are those? What are the different data types? What are the data types that we can see, guys? Just list out me. When it comes to text, what are the text formats that we can see? String. Okay, text format we can see strings. So what is the number format? What is the number? Just mention me the format here. No, not that one. I'm asking about number. Int. Okay, uh, int float. Yeah, that's what I complex. Okay. What about like, okay, fine. What about sequence? What about sequence, guys? What about sequence? What are the sequences that we can see in the picture? Okay. Expecting responses. Yes, thank you. List tuple range. Yes. Yes. List tuple range. Yeah. What about the? Oh, sorry. Yes. Yes. Yeah, Ganesh. Yeah, Ganesh. Yes. Next, dictionary. Next, what is the point that we can take over? Sets dictionary is Chapandi. Guys, whoever knows, you guys can answer. It's your turn now to speak. Okay. Boolean. Which comes under what, man? Comes under what? That's what my question here. Mapping under dictionary. We'll get mapping in the dictionary part, right? Okay. Okay. Mapping. Just dictionary and beta DICT beta. Don't mind it. Okay. Next ఏంటి? Mapping తర్వాత ఏంటి? Mapping comes under to the dictionary part. So example, we can write mapping type as well. Okay. If you want, you can type as well. Next. Set. Sets type. What are the sets type we can see? Set and Forzen. Anybody have an idea on Forzen? Yeah. Anybody have an idea on Forzen? Thank you, the person Arun Reddy. Aruna, sorry, something. Okay. Yeah, Forzen set. Okay. So what about the other one? Boolean type, binary type. Boolean comes to Boolean. Simply, I can write Boolean. Boolean is a bool. Like what are those things we can call like next binary. Binary type we can go bytes, bits. Okay, bytes. Okay, memory. Okay, next. Okay, emulation version of set objects. Yeah. So, guys, remember the point what I'm saying in the picture here. So, in interview, they're going to ask you Okay, they're going to ask you what are the sequences that we can see in the data types. Okay, and at the same time, what are the sets types that we can see in the data types? What are the boolean we can see in the data types? What are the binary types we can see in the data types? So they're going to ask you like these questions. They're going to ask you like these questions. What is the text that we can see it in the data sets? If they will ask you like this kind of questions, what is the text format that we can see in the data types? Immediately you people have to answer string. Strings are nothing but like a characters. Strings are nothing but like a characters. Okay, numbers. Okay, what are the number types that we can see in the data types? Immediately people have to answer int, float, complex. And if immediately they will ask you what is the sequences in the data types, you have to answer list, tuples, range. Or immediately if they ask you like what is mapping type in the data types, immediately people have to answer dictionary. What is the set types? So they will ask you like this kind of questions. They will ask you like this kind of questions. So whatever the question comes from them, you people have to answer for that particular question. And if they will ask you like write a program on like int, float, complex, okay, write a program on using int, float, complex in the single program. So if you people have to define a program there, if people have to define a program, okay, and write what they asked. Okay, list. Okay, or if they are ask you like float, or if they will ask you complex, or if they ask you like write a programming on sequence. So you people have to mention the differences between list, tuples, range, and you people have to write a program. How, what are in list, what we can do, in tuple what we can do, what is the difference between list and tuple, and range. So this is how you people have to answer to the interview person. Then only they will impress on you. If you doesn't even give any single answer, or else if you did any mistakes on that, they're going to point of you like why did you, okay, and where did you done a mistake, could you please rectify the mistake? If you are not able to rectify the mistake, they're going to send you out. If you really rectify the mistake, and if you can tell to them, immediately they impress on you and there is a chances to select you. So that is how the company aspect is going to be performed in the interview aspect. Okay, when it comes to the interview aspect, they're going to perform like that. I hope you're getting my point, like what I'm saying here in the picture. అర్థమవుతుందా నేను మాట్లాడేది? సో ఇంటర్వ్యూ ఆస్పెక్ట్లో ఎలా మాట్లాడతారంటే హెచ్ఆర్స్ కానీ ఎవరైనా కానీ మిమ్మల్ని ఇంటర్వ్యూ తీసుకునేది, సో వాళ్ళు మిమ్మల్ని ఇన్ డేటా టైప్స్, కెన్ యూ ప్లీజ్ డిఫైన్ నెంబర్స్, కెన్ యూ ప్లీజ్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ వాట్ ఆర్ ద థింగ్స్ దట్ వీ కెన్ డిఫైన్ ఇన్ ద నెంబర్? ఇమ్మీడియట్లీ పీపుల్ హ్యావ్ టు ఆన్సర్ నెంబర్స్ ఉంటుంది, ఫ్లోట్ ఉంటుంది, కాంప్లెక్స్ ఉంటుంది. సో ఇఫ్ దే విల్ ఆస్క్ యూ లైక్ రైట్ ఏ ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ ఆన్ ఫ్లోట్, or write a programming in one complex, write a programming on int, by taking integer values write a program. ఓకే, లేదా ఒకవేళ అతను మ్యాపింగ్ టైప్స్ ఏమేమి ఉంటాయి, సెట్స్, రైట్ ఏ ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ ఆన్ సెట్స్. ఓకే, లేదా బులెన్ టైప్లో ఏమేమి ఉంటాయి, బుల్, ఓకే, రైట్ ఆన్ ఏ ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ ఆన్ బులెన్. సో ఇలా మిమ్మల్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ అనేది ఇంటర్వ్యూలో అడుగుతారు. అర్థమవుతుందా? అండ్ ప్లీజ్ వాట్ ఆర్ ద డేటా టైప్స్ అని అడిగినప్పుడు యూ పీపుల్ హ్యావ్ టు గివ్ ఎ డెఫినేషన్ దేర్, అండ్ యూ పీపుల్ హ్యావ్ టు మెన్షన్ ఆల్ ద థింగ్స్ దట్ వీ కెన్ సీట్ ఇన్ ద డేటా టైప్స్. ఏమేమి ఉంటాయి మన డేటా టైప్స్? ఇప్పుడు టెక్స్ట్ అన్నప్పుడు స్ట్రింగ్ ఉంటుంది సార్, నెంబర్స్ అన్నప్పుడు ఇంటి ఫ్లోట్ ఉంటుంది సార్, సీక్వెన్స్ అన్నప్పుడు లిస్ట్ టపుల్స్ రేంజ్ ఉంటుంది సార్, అండ్ మ్యాపింగ్ టైప్ అన్నప్పుడు డిక్షనరీ ఉంటుంది సార్, సెట్స్ టైప్ ఉన్నప్పుడు సెట్స్ టైప్స్ అన్నప్పుడు సెట్స్, ఫార్జన్ సెట్ ఇలా ఉంటాయి సార్, బులెన్ అన్నప్పుడు బుల్ ఉంటుంది సార్, అదే బులెన్ ఉంటుంది సార్, బైనరీ టైప్స్ అన్నప్పుడు బైనరీ, బైట్స్, బైనరీ అడ్రస్ అండ్ మెమరీ ఉంటుంది సార్. సో ఇలా మీరు కన్సిడర్ చేస్తూ ప్రతిదీ వెళ్ళాలి. అప్పుడే మీ మీద వాడికి ఇంప్రెషన్ అనేది కలుగుతుంది. మీరు ఎప్పుడైతే లైక్ కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతారో అప్పుడు మీరు రాంగ్ స్టెప్ వేసిన అవుట్ అవుద్ది. I don't want you people to be there in the confusion part. So that is what I'm giving clear explanation to you to understand what I'm trying to say it in the class. Getting right what I'm saying? So please everybody follow these things so that you can get a better opportunity in the placement. Okay, so this is how we can talk about like text, numbers, sequence, mapping, sets type, boolean, binary, and everything. So today we're going to do a practical on each and everything. Like whatever we discussed on data types, we're going to do a practical in all the things. Okay, we will do all the practicals on everything like whatever I mentioned in the picture. Okay, so let's get into the part. Is there Suman? Sumant, are you there? For which category care and double belongs to? Sorry, care comes into the picture of like text, nana. We can give the characters, right? We'll give the characters. I mean, like we can like we can give like character things and everything, like in listables or anything. Okay, there you can write. సో మాక్సిమం మనం ఇంటి వాల్యూస్ కానీ ఫ్లోట్ వాల్యూస్ కానీ కాంప్లెక్స్ కానీ వాడుతున్నాము. అందులో లిస్ట్లో కూడా మనము నెంబర్స్ రాసుకోవచ్చు, లైక్ కేటగిరికల్గా వాల్యూస్ రాసుకోవచ్చు. ఓకే, అండ్ మనం రేంజ్ అనుకున్నప్పుడు మీరు చాలాసార్లు చూసుంటారు ప్రోగ్రామింగ్స్లో, అంటే లైక్ ఫ్రెషర్స్ అయితే యూ హ్యావ్ టు నో దిస్ ద ఫస్ట్ టైం యూ పీపుల్ కెన్. అండ్ ఒకవేళ సెకండ్ ఇయర్ అలా అయితే మీకు సి కానీ C++ కానీ ఏదైనా జరిగి ఉంటుంది. సో ఈ రేంజ్ అనేది మనం ఒక సర్టన్ రేంజ్ పెట్టుకుంటే ఎంతవరకు ఏ రేంజ్ అనేది ఉంటుంది, అంటే ఏ రేంజ్ వరకు ఏంటి, అంటే టేబుల్స్ జనరేట్ చేయటం, ఇలాంటివన్నీ మనం రేంజ్లో చూస్తాం. And dictionary is nothing but like we can give all categorical things. From those whatever you want to pick out, you can pick out the date, pick out that particular point. Okay, and sets okay, boolean. Let's get into the practical part so that you can clear up about all the things. Okay, so Sumant, are you there in the session? Sumant, are you there in the session? Vaishnavi, Sumant is there in the session. Don't waste my time and your time as well, people. It's already delay getting. Yeah. Mehbooba, sir, what type of coding questions will be asked in the interview questions? Those things only. I'm already discussed with you, right? Mehbooba, yeah. So when it comes to variables, they're going to ask you like types of variables, okay? And when it comes to data types, they're going to ask you like what is data type? They're going to ask you the first question this. Okay, after asking this first question, okay, how many types that we can see in the data types? You people have to define all the types. Like what are the types that we can see it in the picture? Text to mapping, sequence, numbers, set types, boolean. You have to define all the things. Okay. So after defining that, they're gonna ask you like, can you please give me a definition on list, or can you please write a programming on sequences? By using sequence types, write a program, so that you people have to use all the types in the sequence. I mean, like in sequences, what are the things that we can see? List, tuple, range, right? You people have to define all the things and write a program. So you people have to write first list, and after the list you people have to write tuple, or after tuple you people have to write range. So like that you people have to write a code on that, and you people have to execute that, and you have to show them. So that is how they're going to ask you. When they're going to ask you like that, whenever you tells all these things in the data types, నువ్వు డేటా టైప్స్లో ఏవేవైతే చెప్తావో వాటిలోంచి ఒకటి తీసుకొని ఆ ఒకటి నుంచి నిన్ను అడుగుతాడు. ఇప్పుడు నువ్వు ఇవి ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 ఉన్నాయి. 7 టైప్స్ చెప్తావు. దీస్ ఆర్ ద టైప్స్ దట్ వీ కెన్ సీ ఇన్ ద డేటా టైప్స్ అని. సో తనకు నచ్చింది ఒకటి పిక్ చేస్తాడు, సీక్వెన్స్ అంటాడు. ఓకేనా, సీక్వెన్స్లో ఏమేమి ఉంటాయి అంటాడు. సో నువ్వు ఈ సీక్వెన్స్లో ఏమేమి ఉంటాయి అన్నప్పుడు ఏం చెప్తావు? లిస్ట్, టపుల్, రేంజ్ ఉంటుంది సార్ అంటావు. ఓకేనా, సో యూజింగ్ రేంజ్ రైట్ ఏ ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ అంటాడు, ఆర్ రైట్ ఏ ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ ఆర్ రైట్ ఏ ప్యాటర్న్ అంటాడు, లేకపోతే ప్రింటెడ్ టేబుల్ అంటాడు. ఓకే, నువ్వు యూజింగ్ రేంజ్ ఫంక్షన్ వాడి టేబుల్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తావు. ఓకేనా, లేకపోతే రేంజ్ వాడి నువ్వు ప్యాటర్న్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తావు. సో టపుల్, యూజ్ టపుల్ అండ్ రైట్ ఏ ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ అంటాడు. టపుల్లో లిస్ట్ ఆఫ్ సమ్ కేటగిరికల్ వాల్యూస్, కేటగిరికల్ థింగ్స్ అండ్ రైట్ ఏ ప్రోగ్రామ్ అంటాడు. కేటగిరికల్గా కొన్ని తీసుకొని నువ్వు టపుల్ ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ రాయాలి. సో అలా వాడికి నచ్చినట్టు నేను క్వశ్చన్ చేస్తాడు. అర్థమవుతుందా? సో దట్ ఈస్ హౌ దే గోనా ఆస్క్ యూ. గెట్టింగ్ మెహబూబా? అదే నెహాహా సంథింగ్. యూ, సారీ, ఐ డిడెంట్ గెట్ యూ ప్రాపర్లీ యువర్ నేమ్. ఓకే, డోంట్ మైండ్ ఇట్. ఓకే, నెహాహా, ఆర్ యూ గెటింగ్? ఎస్, థ్యాంక్ యూ. So Sumant, are you there in the session or not? It's already too delay. He is not there in the ICU. So is there Monica? Even if she is not there in the session, I'm going to start. I can't wait for the remaining people. It's already delay right there. How can I? So Monica, are you there in the session? Guys, if she's not there, I think Vaishnavi, I can give an option to remaining people. So if anybody interested, they can. If not, I'll do the program. Yeah, so I can continue. So let me ask everybody here. Yeah, fine. Don't mind it. So guys, anybody interested to do a programming now? I'm going to guide you. I'll guide you. You people have to do. That's it. If anybody interested to do a program, I'm always welcome you people to do. Okay. While you're doing, I'm going to guide you like how you people have to write and everything. Okay. So on which topics, sir? Ganesh Kumar ready? Data types, man. Data types. Like whatever we discuss, I'm going to guide you. You just open that compiler and everything. I'm going to guide you. Like what you people have to. Sudeep, are you interested to do a program? Don't worry, you just on the thing and I'm going to guide you so that you can. Ganesh, are you interested to do? Ganesh, are you willing to do? Just respond so that I can give an access to you. Sorry, everybody is responding okay, but Sudipti, I'm interested. So yeah, Sudipti, yeah, please. I'm giving you an option to you to. I'm giving co-host option so that you can. Okay, Sudipti, right? Sudipti, first of all, give me an option. Yeah, I given co-host to you. You can speak to me and you can share your screen and you can explain. I mean, like explain this is you just open online compiler if you have, or else if you have Python compiler, you can, or else you can use Visual Studios, or you can use Jupyter, anything, any tool you can use to run a code. Okay. So Dipti, please share your screen. So Dipti, are you sharing the screen? Yeah, let me stop. Let me stop. Yeah. So Dipti, right now you can. I already given co-host to you. You please go share the screen. I think you can say an option share. So whenever you click share and blue mark will comes under to the screen part and you can share. Click share that. Then you can see the screen. Then your screen going to visible for everyone. So if not, if you don't know like how you can wait so that I can give an option to Ganesh Kumar as well so that he is ready to answer. Ganesh, I think, sorry, Sudipti, it's getting. Ganesh, can you? Yeah, Ganesh, you come please. Ganesh Kumar, I am giving co-host to you, Ganesh. You can share your screen. You can unmute yourself and speak to me as well if you want to speak. I'm waiting for you, Ganesh, please.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, come please. I'm waiting for you, right?
Yes, sir. Which one I have to do, sir, now?
In data types, first to write a programming on text. Yes. Yeah, yeah. You want to run your go file new. No. File. No, click new file, man. Top.
Yes.
Just it will get a complete screen there. That's it. Okay, then you can. Not getting or what? You get a screen when you started. Ganesh, is it opening or not?
Yes, sir.
Is it a new
No.
file is came?
Yeah, it has come, sir. I'm saving it.
No. Not that I'm asking you to do. So once you stop the screen, please. Once you stop the screen, I'm going to show you.
Yes.
After that, you can.
Yes, yes.
Yes. Just look at my screen here in the picture. So this is what the programs. This is what about the previous programs. Python. If you really have Python,
Ideally, sir.
yes. It's not there in my system. I'm using Anaconda. Yeah, it's not there in my system anyway. I think you can share your screen and go to online compiler, and there also you can run, right, in Google. Getting what I'm saying, Ganesh? Are you getting what I'm saying? నువ్వు గూగుల్లోకి
Yes,
వెళ్ళి
sir.
కూడా చూడొచ్చు కదా. ఒకసారి గూగుల్ ఓపెన్
Yeah, yeah.
చేయాలి. అది కాదు బేసిక్గా ఫార్మేట్. లెట్ మీ స్టాప్ మై స్క్రీన్.
Yeah.
స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేసి గూగుల్ ఆన్లైన్ కంపైలర్కి వెళ్ళు. పైథాన్ ఆన్లైన్ కంపైలర్.
Yeah.
ఓపెన్. ఎస్. యా తీసే. మా పర్లేదు. ఓకే తీసి ఇప్పుడు ఇవ్వు. ఎస్ ఎక్స్ ఈక్వల్ టు స్ట్రింగ్ అనుకున్నాం కదా. ఎస్ గణేష్. సో ఎంటర్ jack print. Okay, if you want to give type also, you can give type x. That is not the way you people have to give, man. I'm just thinking that you're going to give a type for me. Okay. Anyway, erase that. Just give first print. Yeah, x equal to Ganesh is fine. I'm asking about second line. Just give x is equal to Ganesh. Like what you mentioned, you can give x equal to columns. No, sorry. Yes, there Ganesh. Yeah, get into it. Print. Print.
Print.
Yes. Yes, there type. Mention type.
Yeah.
TYPA. No, type. Yeah. Now again opens the bracket. Just give the no, brackets. Yes, there give x. Yeah, now x.
Yes.
Yeah. So guys, getting what is here? Class is getting string because we are giving string there, right? X equal to Ganesh is a string. Ganesh is a string because we are giving the characters there. We are giving the name. So that's we consider as a string. So whenever you're giving type here, that considering as a string or int. So for example, if you can give a number there, just erase Ganesh and give a number. No more brackets and everything. Please erase the brackets. No more brackets, man. Sorry, no, not brackets. Yeah, don't erase that. First line. No more columns and everything. Remove those. First line,
Where?
Ganesh. After X, only consider 5.
Yeah, yes. I forgot it.
I remove those. Last one is remove. You given 5 or what?
Minus
Yes.
5 I have given.
Yeah. Okay. Now you get, now it's getting into int, right? It's getting into int or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you can remove type, you will get the value like what you given. నువ్వు ఒకవేళ ఇక్కడ ప్రింట్ అనే ఆప్షన్ టైప్
Yeah.
తీసేసావు అనుకో, అప్పుడు ఇంట్ అనేది లేకుండా పోతుంది. ఈ చివరి కూడా ఒకటి తీసే. ఎప్పుడు రంచి నువ్వు అక్కడ ఏం వాల్యూ ఇచ్చావో ఆ వాల్యూ అనేది రిప్రజెంట్ అవుతుంది. ఒకవేళ నువ్వు టైప్ ఇచ్చావు అనుకో, అది ఏ టైప్, ఇంటీజర్ టైపా, ఫ్లోట్ టైపా, స్ట్రింగ్ టైపా, ఓకే, అండ్ కాంప్లెక్స్ టైప్ అనేది డిఫైన్ చేస్తుంది. అర్థమవుతుందా మీకు? సో గణేష్ ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ -5 మెన్షన్ లైక్ 10.5. -5 తీసేసి 10.5 పెట్టు. రంచి వాట్ ఈస్ మీన్ బై 10.5 here? Lokeshwar Reddy, thank you. It's a float. If you just mention type there, type mention
What, sir?
type ఇందాక చేసావు కదా అలా
Yeah.
yes ఇప్పుడు టైప్ ఇప్పుడు నువ్వు ఎప్పుడైతే టైప్ ఇస్తావో అది ఫ్లోటా లేకపోతే ఇంటా అనేది తెలుస్తుంది. ఒకసారి టైప్ ఇచ్చిన తర్వాత చూడు అది ఫ్లోట్ అనేది తెలిసిపోద్ది అక్కడ
Okay.
వచ్చిందా ఫ్లోట్ అని. సో దట్ ఈస్ హౌ వీ కెన్ డిఫైన్ ఇట్స్ ఎ ఫ్లోట్. సో అలా మనం అది ఫ్లోట్ వాల్యూ అనేది చెప్పగలం. whenever you start giving type, then we can realize and we can say that it's a float. అర్థమవుతుందా? So if you can remove type there, it will get 10.5 as an output because we are giving x is 10.5, right? So that's the reason we are getting 10.5 as an output. Whenever you start giving type, then it represents type as well. Yes, complex. If you want to run complex, okay, run. Run Ganesh. Okay, fine. So Ganesh, execute it, please.
Sir, actually, my internet connection was poor. Yeah, now tell me, sir.
Yeah, you can run now. ఇప్పుడు రన్ చేయను. Yeah, it's a complex. So whenever you start giving like the plus 5j, it's saying that it's a complex. Complex is nothing but is a root that we can talk about. So that is how we can see the remaining things as well. That is how we can see the remaining as well. So Ganesh, yeah, I hope everybody got the point, like the differences between the string, int, float, complex. So now get into the point like list. Ganesh, erase 10 plus 5j and type here 10, erase first 10 plus 5 and put the square brackets. Yes, Lokeshwar mentioned square brackets. That's not a square brackets, that's a flower brackets. Yeah, it's showing list, right? It's showing list. If you can remove type means it will give an output like what you mentioned in the X. If you can remove type, it will give an output. Yeah, remove the last one. Yes, execute it. Yes, go getting right. So in list also we can do different things that I'm going to assign you an assignment. So just mention the brackets there as well at top. Remove the square brackets. Just to remove the square brackets and give close bracket. What is this? Then what is this? You type there. Yes, type. Yeah, it's a tuple. It's a tuple. It's showing or not? It's showing
Yeah,
output as well as it's saying it's a tuple. Okay.
sorry. Yeah.
So yeah, next range.
In tuples, we can use strings also, na sir? Strings,
So,
float.
yeah. No, no, yeah. You can use the strings also as well here. You can give any names. You can give names as well. No need of name. Oh, you want to test like that, Ganesh?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Again, remove type. How knowledge that you are having, man. Remove type. I said you to remove type. Yes, just give X. You want to know like the format. Like, is it going to? Yes, it's getting right. Not only the values we can get the strings also, strings as well. మనకి వాల్యూసే కాదు స్ట్రింగ్స్ కూడా అవుట్పుట్ గా జనరేట్ అయ్యి వస్తుంది మనకి అర్థమవుతుందా సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద బేసిక్ ఫార్మాట్ వెన్ ఇట్ కమ్స్ టు అడ్వాన్స్డ్ ఆర్ ఇంటర్మీడియట్ ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ మనం ఒక ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు ఒక స్టేజ్కి వచ్చిన తర్వాత వి విల్ గెట్ టు నో లైక్ హౌ లిస్ట్ పర్ఫార్మింగ్ అండ్ హౌ టపుల్స్ పర్ఫార్మింగ్ అండ్ హౌ range performing you will get to know are you getting my point
Yes, sir.
so let's do range use range Ganesh
What, sir?
range after
Range.
list and tuple we have to use range right
Yes, sir.
yeah give range today we will end with the range so from tomorrow onwards we will no yeah, you can give there also not a problem and it's better to give in the first line yeah you can give print range or something like that just suggest list out something. Who is this fellow writing such kind of bullshit things? You just that's not a thing that you people just give. Who is this fellow mentioned to us something?
Sir.
You please check the chat box. Okay, fine. The person who sends this. That is not the right way you to write a range, man. Way to write a range, man. Just write. I'm going to get you.
Sir, your voice is not clear, sir.
Now is it okay?
Yeah, it's okay, sir.
Yeah, now you write a pattern. I'm going to tell you. Write a pattern code in the range so that it's better to show everybody.
Can you please say again,
Yeah,
sir?
within 3 lines you can write. Remove all the code.
Yeah.
Yeah, write a code. Please, whoever writing such kind of lines, please don't do bullshit things here in the session. Okay, not only you, everybody disturbing. This is not the right way to write. No, Ganesh. Oh,
Yes, sir.
let me say and let me tell you. Erase those. Erase the part. Right. For
For
I
I,
space in range. Yes. Just give me one. Yeah. Give me 1, 1, 5. That is how
we
you have
have
to
to
write it.
open bracket now, sir.
Yeah. Brackets. There you can write. Enter. Let's get to next line. Who is this Pranit Reddy? Pranit Reddy, you won't get any certificate, Pranit Reddy. You can get lost from the class as well as from tomorrow onwards. You won't get anything. You won't get any access. If you want to say to anyone, you can. Where is this fellow Pranit Reddy? So from tomorrow onwards, you won't get any access. You can leave. Thank you for your attendance. Yeah, you please carry on, Ganesh.
Yes,
Yes. Yeah, for J next, not that. Next line for J. For J in
next,
range. Yes. For J
yeah,
in range. For space. J space in range 1, 5. Just column.
columns, sir.
పైన పైన 1.5 ఇచ్చావు కదా జే దగ్గర అక్కడ అక్కడ కాదు వెనకమాల సో లెట్ మీ రైట్ ఏ కోడ్ హియర్ you please stop the screen so that I can show to everyone this.
Yeah, sure.
Yes, thank you sir. Screen stop చేయవా? Yeah, let me share my screen and show. Today we will end with the topic of range, and from tomorrow. So is it my screen is visible to everyone, right? Yeah. For I. So Ganesh, are you following the session right? Into yes. Yeah. Print function. So is it right code that I given here? Somebody let me know. Is it right code that I mentioned here? Let me see your here. Yes. So yes, let me execute it. So it just showing the format like how it's giving the pattern. So 1 to 5 it's giving a pattern instead of 1 to 5. If you can give like This is how I'm just giving a range about. If you want to give any pattern, there itself you can give like j range 1 comma I plus 1. There you can mention the stars or something like that. Then you can, then the pattern will get you the correct format. Okay, if you want, if I want me to show that as well, I can show to you people now itself. Okay, so let me go through here and let me show you. So instead of same thing, sorry, so equals to 5. So 1 comma 5, I'm just erasing only 4 plus. This is okay, fine. Here I can do like this one. This is rows we have to mention. Yes, thank you. Okay. 1 plus n. And you people have to consider only j part print, because if you can take I means it's considering it starts with an IO. That is means then if you can print, let me see the output. Okay, this number. So where it's getting mistake, man? Somebody let me know. It's not showing completely. Why it's getting the, it's getting an error? That's what my question here. Yeah, everyone is. Yeah. Is it right now? Shall we run? Why it's getting, if you can answer to me this, I'm going to send Vaishnavi how it's getting them in the same line, sir. Yeah, if anybody can answer to this, I can give a chocolate to the people. There is a simple thing I did. You people have to answer that. Guys, tell me this. Enter. Yes, 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 yes. Acha. Yes, 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 yes. Hmm, hmm. Sorry, 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 sorry. It's not there. Sorry. Hmm. Yes, 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 yes. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Actually, even without giving here also, we can get an output, man. No, like it's not compulsory that if you can mention only, we'll get an output or something like that. Not like that. It won't get. So whenever if you can give the same format in the Jupyter as well, it will run. Okay. Not this is the format. Okay. By giving this as well, we can get an output. If you want to see that as well, you can see. And let me erase this first. I print the line same one for the, yes, 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 just a minute. Make you people confuse. Okay. Let me run again. For I in range, start carefully. Yes, we can see it in the Jupyter. Sometimes due to some quotations or sometimes due to some compiler issues or something like that, it may comes the proper format Vaishnavi. So we have to give and we have to see the quotations and everything. Yes, yes, double quotation. Even we can give single quotations also, it will get Venkata Sai Suman. Even if we can give single quotations also, we can get an output. Not exactly like sir, only if we can give double quotations only we'll get, not like that. Even if we can give single quotations also, we can get an output. But the program what we are giving here, it will write. It's a red program. It does questions. Okay, fine. Mhm. Next, just new print brackets. Print. Enter. Shift enter. Got it right? Yes. Basically, what happened here? Why we didn't get? Guys, anybody having an answer? Why it's happened in that? Is there anyone to answer here? Due to indentation, it comes in wrong output. Due to indentation, yes. Due to an indentation, it's getting wrong output there. Yes. No, 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 no. The space and everything that we have to check. Okay. When even will get compiler as well. Even will get compiler as well. Just I'm just copying this. Okay. And then just got it right. Then due to indentation, it's getting an error, man. That's it. That's what I'm trying to say to you people. Yes, yes, Manas already. Do you please, while you are entering the program, you people have to check the indentation as well so that you can get an output. Okay. So I don't know exactly like what happened to this. Okay. Just look into the picture here. Whenever I'm completing this line, whenever I'm writing a code and completing this line, after clicking immediately, it's getting an option under the print option or print option. So this is how we are doing mistake, and whenever by giving this and we are thinking that it's not getting. So not like that. If you can go here and check the indentation, so it shows. So that is what you people have to observe in the code so that you can get. So this is how we can write a program. This is how we can write a program, and people please check the indentations as well so that you can get a correct output. Okay. So that's all for today. And if you have any queries on today, please ask me now so that I can clear your doubts. Guys, still anybody having doubts? Ganesh, are you following the session? Ganesh, are you following the session? Yes. Did you observe what I'm doing? And not only Ganesh, any yes, yes. Thank you, Vaishnavi Reddy. So please check that. So guys, everybody, sir, please enter n minus one. Manasa, where you want to get n minus one? Yeah, I know, like where you want to mention. So you try yourself, okay? You try yourself. So that comes under to the practice, okay? And guys, the remaining concepts that we didn't discuss, it seems like a dictionary, okay? Boolean. You try yourself, okay? You just try yourself. And if you didn't get at any point, you please ask me in the next class so that I can explain to you as well. Okay. So that's all for today. And if you have any queries, you are always welcome to answer. I mean, always welcome to ask me a question. Okay, guys. Anybody having doubts? Are you clear the concepts? Are you clear the concepts? Concepts any clear అర్థమైనట్టేనా? So that's all for today, and we'll see tomorrow. And I already said to you now, like you please practice the remaining concepts which I didn't show to you now. Okay, you please write a programming by using range, write a program, or write a programming on table, write a programming on different patterns. I shown you a number, right? You please come up with a star mark or something like that. Okay, so and mention and create some dictionary. Okay, and create some boolean or create some bytes or something like that. Okay, it's your wish, your wish. So please do the assignment part and come tomorrow. In case if you didn't get any point while you're doing or while practicing, please let me know so that we will clear. Sir, how to print the digits in Z format or written formats? Yeah, actually, you just asked me while I'm in the final position. I'll tell tomorrow via. Sorry, I didn't get the proper. Via, I'm going to. I'll tell you tomorrow. Is it okay for you? I'm getting the point, like how in which format you are trying to you want. Yeah, I'll tell tomorrow. Don't worry. Because when I'm ending the session, you are asking me. So that's the reason I'm telling you to ask me tomorrow so that I can clear out. Okay, guys, that's all for today. Anyway, thank you. Good night, everyone. Who is this Tejaswini? Boyo, sir. What Boyo? Thank you, Navin Reddy. Thank you. Bye, Tejaswini. Bye. Good night. Good night, Neha.